Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to create a simple wave pattern. As you can see on your screen, it is also known as Japanese wave pattern. So let's begin. I will close this document and I will create a new document, and we have to create a document of the size, change the unit to points, and we need to create a document of 500 points by 500 points. Create. Now create a circle using the ellipse tool, 100 points by 100 points, and keep the stroke at 2 points and stroke color black, fill color white, and align it to center, page center or the artboard center. Now right click, go to transform, scale, and keep it to 10%, uniform 10%, and click on copy. Now select both the objects, go to object and blend, make. Now double click on this particular blend tool and choose the option specified steps and make the steps four steps. We have to take 4 steps, then press OK. So this is our basic pattern that we have created. Now after selecting the pattern, again go to object, go to pattern, click on make, click OK. Now remember these options: tile type, keep it to brick by row, and make sure to turn off the link option. After that, change the width to 100 and height to 25, and click on this option, bottom in front. So this is how it will look. Now click on done. So our first pattern is done. So what we'll do is we'll create another rectangle, 500 by 500 points. Again align it to center and apply. First turn off the stroke and apply the pattern that we have just created. This is the pattern that we have created. So this is how it will look. It is as simple as that. Now this is a basic black and white pattern. So now let's say if you want to color it, so I'll take a couple of copies of this. How to create a copy? Simply press and hold Alt key and create a couple of copies like this. Now select the first pattern, this one pattern, and using the direct selection tool, and I'm going to color it with this particular color for the outer circle, and I'm going to change the stroke color to white. Again, now I'm going to select the smallest circle which is present in the center, and I'm going to color it with yellow and stroke color white. So this looks okay. And for this particular pattern, again I'm going to select the outer portion, and for now I'm going to color this with this one, and center circle I'm going to choose the maybe again yellow color. So these are the couple of color patterns. So select the first pattern and again go to same, we have to repeat the same procedure, object, pattern, make. We have to keep the same values. First tile type, brick by row, again 100, 25, and make sure the link is off. Again click over here, bottom in front, again done. So first pattern is done. Again I will create, and simply you can simply click on this particular shape and click on the choose the new pattern. So this is how it will look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this shape or the object that we have created. Now select the other remaining object or pattern, go to object again, pattern, make, same properties again, brick by row, 100, 25, and click on this option and click on done. Again the second pattern is now created. Again select and apply. So this is as simple as this. So I recommend or I suggest you do practice this. This is a very basic tutorial, so you should be fine, or you should be able to complete this particular tutorial. So do give it a go and try this out. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.